Tutorial Video 3, How to Program Using Flowchart Software. Hello, this is Video 3 of Omron's collaborative robot tutorial series. In this video, you can learn how to use the software called TM Flow to program the cobots. TM Flow has an intuitive user interface that allows you to easily create a program using flowcharts. Flowchart and nodes. This is an example of what a final application may look like in a flowchart. Each box you see is called a node. Let's look at the flowchart that you created in Video 2. You can see that every time you pressed the point button, a point node was created. You can use your mouse to connect the third point node to the first node, and then your cobot will move between the 3 points continuously. Point motion settings. Now let's decide on how you want the cobot to move between each point. Click on the first point and click on the pen icon in the upper left-hand corner. This is your edit icon. There are 3 types of motions you can choose from: PTP, or point-to-point, line, and waypoint. By clicking on one of the 3 options, you are designating how you want the cobot to move from the previous node to this node. Point-to-point means that the cobot will arrive at this point using efficient joint movements. If you want the cobot to move in a straight line, select Line. Waypoint will move the cobot in 2 motions. First, it will approach a location above the target point in a point-to-point motion. You can set the height of the approach as a ratio between the initial height and the approach height. Then it will move down to the target point using a line motion. Waypoint motions is convenient to use in most pick-and-place applications because you don't want the cobot to crash into what you want to pick up. Creating a pick-and-place motion. Let's start a new project and create a new pick-and-place motion. Click on the New Project icon on the top left corner of the screen that has a plus sign. Name your project. You'll notice that we don't have a gripper on the robot yet, but we will create a pick-and-place motion without a gripper for now. Move the cobot to an initial position that is safe. Click on the Start node to select it. Then drag a point icon just below Start and create a point node on your screen. Click the Edit icon and then click on Point Manager. Then, click on Point Name and change it to whatever you want. For now, we will call this point Initial. Press OK until you go back to the main window. Next, let's create a pick location. Press the Free button and move the robot to where you want this point to be. Then drag another point node below the initial node. Click the Edit icon and then click on Point Manager. Name the point Pick and press OK. Click on Waypoint because this is a pick-and-place motion. Change the height percentage to 100%. Click OK until you go back to the main window. Select the Pick node. Drag a Move node underneath. Click the Edit icon and change the Z value to -200 millimeters for this movement. This will move the cobot arm up by 200 millimeters. Click OK. Next, create a Place node in the same way we created the Pick node. Make another Move node. Change the Z value to -200 millimeters again. Connect the second Move node to the Pick node. If you make a mistake with the arrow, you can click on a different node, then return to the node you were working on. Click this X to erase that arrow, then try again. You have now completed programming the motion. Don't forget to save it by clicking this middle folder icon. This is important so that you don't lose the program that you have been working on. Hit the play button on the robot stick. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new pick-and-place motion. This concludes video 3 of the Omron TM series tutorials. In the next video, video 4, we will show you how to attach a gripper to your Cobot.